A healthy gut is an important prerequisite for your general well-being. But what if gut irritation causes discomfort? Then, probiotics can help restore and maintain gut health. In the gut, various beneficial microorganisms help to maintain healthy gut function. However, as a side effect, antibiotics can harm this healthy gut flora. As a consequence, beneficial microorganisms are replaced by pathogens, which may cause gut wall irritation, diarrhea, and a weakened defense system. To tackle a specific gut condition, the affected zones are identified and suitable probiotic strains are selected to target the source of the discomfort. These strains are then carefully cultivated, combined, and contained in a way that ensures that the right probiotics reach the right zones at the right time, alive and intact. Probiotics specifically act on 3 zones in the gut. In the restoration zone, it supports the regeneration of the healthy gut flora. Simultaneously, in the protection zone, probiotics help rebuild the weakened lining of the gut wall and activate the immune system in the activation zone. This will build up the gut's protection and help to prevent diarrhea.